Hello guys, hello to whoever stumbled upon the channel. Welcome. Yeah, as you can see, this is gonna be anyway the first video, um essentially analyzing gold for the upcoming week, the week beginning the 1st of July. Okay, anyway, I'll go into the analysis and what I can see from what's potentially going to happen the upcoming week. So as you can see, gold has had it's been very bullish the last couple of weeks. We are on the weekly chart at the moment. It's been very bullish. Just actually not the last couple of weeks. Actually, my bad. Months, I would say months. As you can see, beginning from essentially February all the way up to now. Now going into the last week that just happened, we did come off of a down week, and we recovered essentially. Yeah, so we're gonna go into the daily chart to actually analyze what's next. So price decided to trade all the way back down after hitting these highs. I thought it was gonna go ahead on that, to be honest. I thought it was gonna hit either it's gonna break this level up here or essentially hit this high, but it never did. This block was what kept it coming down, and I should have seen it. By the way, just to let you know, I trade using SMC concepts, but yeah, for that reason especially, I should have seen it as on the daily. Let me draw what I can see. There was this block right here, which should have essentially, yeah, it should have warned me as to the fact that, yeah, price was gonna go all the way down essentially, but I never took that into consideration when I was trading anyway. But yes, price traded into the block, and then came all the way down, which was made sense as price broke structure below here. Yeah, this is not perfect, by the way, guys. I'm gonna improve the video quality. I'm just running through the what I think. But anyway, yes, price traded into the block and then did exactly what it was supposed to do, to be honest. I went right back down. But yeah, if we pull out the fib 2, we can also see that price is supposed to return up to here. So I believe that for this coming week, price will trade all the way back up, simply because if we go down, break it down to the 4-hour chart. Okay, on the 4 hours, you can see there were breaks. There were quite significant recent breaks, and this was one. This was one break that was significant, therefore keeping the price bullish. And also, it was flirting with the break over here as well recently before the market shot. Never completed it. Again, doesn't signify that the break is actually on. But however, as you can see on the fib, it did go through the 50% mark, meaning it has to complete it. It will complete the move, to at the very least up here. So price, I believe, will definitely hit around here, 23.57. I like to say 60, especially if we zoom further in to the 1-hour chart. I believe, yeah, around here, 61, 60. Yeah, I would like to take all that imbalance, to be honest. So yeah, that would make sense. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't enter straight away. I expect price to open on Monday and fall all the way down, back down, potentially, down to here. That'll be interesting to see, really. It isn't something that I'd be interested in seeing, but yeah, I expect price to essentially come down here on the Monday and then essentially work his way all the way up there, to 23.60. Yeah, that's what I think will potentially happen. But if not, it may not wait for anyone actually and just continue all the way to 60, to be honest. That's another potential thing that may happen. Since last week we did not see the down break through here, it didn't break this level. Price will most definitely not be bearish anytime soon. I expect price to continue on its upward trend, and also potentially break that level, this level up here, 2365. Yeah, that's pretty much it really. And if it does break 2365, I expect it to hit 2412, 2411. Zoom again in, maybe 2-hour chart. Let's see. Yeah, 2-hour chart actually shows clearly. But yeah, I expect price to maybe hit this high over here, 2373 to 2374. And then from there, really, it can be even higher, or it can retrace to gain a bit more liquidity, essentially, to continuous either upwards move or downwards. Okay, another reason why I believe that price will most definitely hit this high is due to the fact that if you look at the structure, we've had continuous highs. Yes, highs that haven't been broken. As you can see, we've had this high here, we've had this here, we've had this. So it only makes sense for price to return back up here, especially for the fact that, again, it has broken a 50% level. Whether you want to call this broken or not, to me that is broken. It's on the 2-hour. That's a significant break. But yeah, it is due to return here. On top of that, there is a lot of resting liquidity, I believe, above here, which I'll show you in a minute. Above here, there's a lot of resting liquidity. Price will come back and eventually clear that out. But yeah, apart from that, that's pretty much it. That's the analysis I can see for this week. Price will seek to return to highs, and may potentially continue up even higher, potentially. Yes, subscribe if you are interested in more analysis, and also comment if you want to analyze on any other chart.